One of the easiest ways to set up your fence is just lay it on the ground and you pull out taut and then go back and stand it up. After your fence is laid on the ground where you want to put it, simply pull the fence nice and tight and then push the fence into the ground. Ensure that none of the bottom wires are going under the prongs on the post. Where necessary to make the fence nice and tight, if it's pulling in like this, just lift up the post, pull the top out a little bit and just stand the post in. When you're setting up your fence, make sure there's no live wire under the stake. So if that live wire is under that metal stake, the stainless steel wire and that will make it short out. So if ever your fence isn't running well, just come around to every post and make sure that this steel post, only this black very bottom wire is touching it, but that first wire up is not caught underneath, and then your fence will be good. Where the two fences meet, just use the string that's attached to pull it in nice and close and tie that off in a bow so it's easy to undo. The two metal clips, just clip them together, that'll create a closed circuit. After you've got your fence set up, hammer your star picket in and place your energiser on the star picket. Next step, attach the red clip of your energiser to your fence, then turn on your fence. Ensure your solar panel is facing towards the sun. Best way to do this, in the southern hemisphere you're wanting your solar panel to face north. In the northern hemisphere you want your solar panel to face south. When you're moving your fence, you pull the fence out, hang onto the fence and let the fence dangle. So I'm going to move the fence now, I'm just pulling it down and I'm hanging onto the post, I'm letting the fence itself just dangle along behind. That way it won't get tangled up. Pulling out a post, just hanging onto just the post and letting the fence dangle. This will make moving the fence quite easy and it won't get tangled. So before you move the Chicken Caravan, you want to just push this ramp in. That just slides in like that. Undo the chain, and then you've got your tow handle and you just simply pull it. When you get to the desired location, attach the chain and then just pull out the ramp. Under the chain. Then when you finish towing,